Commercial divers often qualify as Jones Act seamen who are entitled to make a Jones Act negligence claim, an unseaworthiness claim, and a claim for maintenance and cure, your three major causes of action for Jones Act seamen. In many commercial diving cases, seaman status is contested. A vessel owner may try to argue that the commercial diver that was injured does not qualify as a Jones Act seaman. There are two main elements for seaman status under the Jones Act. First, the worker must have contributed to the vessel's mission or function, and secondly, the worker must have a substantial connection to the vessel in terms of both nature and duration. Some vessel owners will argue that commercial divers do not meet the test of duration necessary to become a Jones Act seaman, meaning that they contest that the commercial diver had a connection that was substantial in duration to a vessel in navigation or to a group of vessels in navigation. For commercial divers, we look at sometimes years and years of their time records to assess whether they spent more than 30% or 30% at least of their time on a vessel in navigable water. And that entails sometimes looking through time record after time record to look at their time and assess whether 8 hours of their day or 10 hours of their day or 12 hours of their day was spent on a vessel in navigable water. If the worker's time is under 30%, they may not meet the duration test under the second element for seaman status. In assessing seaman status for commercial divers, the very definition of a vessel also may come into play. Sometimes we see an argument that a barge or a wharf boat that a commercial diver was diving from was not a vessel, and therefore that time aboard that wharf boat or barge does not count towards the 30% test. We have experience and are prepared to analyze in great detail whether a commercial diver qualifies as a Jones Act seaman, or if not, as a longshoreman who also has claims to make against the vessel owner and has also claims to make against third parties under general maritime law.